case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court ruled in 1972 on a transformational case, Police Department of Chicago v. Mosley, challenging the government's authority to restrict freedom of expression. The decision emphasized a core principle, stating the government may only constrain public expressions if they serve a crucial government interest and must be tailored in a narrow manner, treating all viewpoints equally. Ironically centered on a public school, the living embodiment of democracy and education, the legal fight began with Earl Mosley, a federal postal employee. Mosley aimed to protest near a Chicago school, waving a banner accusing the institution of practicing racial discrimination. The hurdle that blocked his way was a Chicago ordinance that forbade any form of picketing within a 150-foot radius of a school, applicable during school hours, and extending 30 minutes before and after. Deeming the law an infringement of his First Amendment rights and equal protection, Mosley dragged the case to court. While the lower court sided with the status quo, the tide turned at the Seventh Circuit, who deemed the ordinance overbroad and unconstitutional. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court agreed with the Seventh Circuit's judgment. The Chicago ordinance was considered unconstitutional as it unfairly discriminated between labor picketing and other peaceful protests. The law's selectivity was seen as a violation of neutrality principles, amounting to content censorship and selective endorsement of views. With this ruling, the court rebuffed the city's broad ordinance that favored one subject over the other, terming it a violation of the Equal Protection Clause. They recommended instead the use of narrowly defined statutes, arguing for a more equitable treatment of picketing, regardless of its subject.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.